Hi, my name is Victoria Simon, and today I want to show you a website that allows you to turn your text to speech. Well, you can use 11 labs and all of that, and some of them, but this one is tested and it is so direct. Okay, so let me head over to my Chrome browser and then type in text to speech.online. All right, so you can see that on my screen just like this. So when you tap on it, you're going to see this website. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to show you how to do the text to speech, whatever. So I'm just going to tap on this and let me select all and then replace it with my text. Okay, so I'm just going to paste. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And then all you have to do is you can change the language. All right, you can choose English. And the beautiful thing is you can use United States, you can use English Nigeria. Okay, I selected English Nigeria, and you have the option of choosing a male or a female. Isn't it? Let me choose a female, and all you have to do is to scroll over to this point, play. So once you're done, you can play all, and then you download your voice. Okay, once you click on download, automatically it does that for you, and then you can open the file. Here it is, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.